Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2013 Honda Odyssey EXL with DVD rear entertainment system. This has alloy wheels, Goodyear tires all the way around, everything in excellent shape. Very, very clean on the outside, not many blemishes for this one, so even though it's over 10 years old, we still got really nice condition with this. And nice clean and clear headlights, a great engine in it, the 3.5 VTEC VCM, so variable cylinder management, so you'll get the Econ light that comes on after a certain RPM and speed on this one to give it a little bit more fuel efficiency. Mirrors have been decoded from the gloss black to more of a matte gray finish, just the underneath of them, but the interior's super clean. Not many conditional issues with leather, just a little minor on the driver's seat, but it comes with USB connectivity here as well as the original owner's manual, and nice big screen there, CD player, AM FM stereo, satellite radio. Also get rear backup camera, got plenty of cup holders in here, power outlets, auxiliary connectivity. Even we get the cool box for keeping any waters cold, and get nice center console armrest storage, quad cup holders, and then keyless entry, also power doors and liftgate. So here's just our minor here for the driver's seat, the rear spyglass mirror, and then auto dimming rear view mirror, illuminated vanities, home link, sunroof, dual automatic front up and down power windows. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, doors, liftgate, and sunroof. And additional storage down below here, spare tire, dual capstans, chairs, third row seating, and then the auxiliary connectivity ports for the rear entertainment system, and this does work. It also has rear AC controls and all rear AC throughout. Power sliding doors operate perfectly. No dings, dents, scratches. Again, the exterior of this vehicle is super clean, as well as the interior. Smoke and pet free. Comes with this nice storage here. Seats fold down into the floor, so you get plenty of storage space. So if you're looking for a vehicle to haul, these vans are really great for that. So liftgate looks good, operates perfectly with the power. Even comes with the roof racks, so actual roof racks, even the side extensions here, so you can fit something on the roof. Super clean floor. The floors on the carpet are just absolutely stunning, just still look brand new. Driver's side, we got power windows and our locks, mirrors, light wear here, but nothing major, so it's really just concentrated on that shoulder of the driver's side. So behind the steering wheel we have our pocket storage here, power options for liftgate and doors, automatic front headlights, interval front and rear wipers, leather wrapped steering wheel for Bluetooth, volume stereo controls, and cruise control. And then firing the vehicle up, we got 146,000 original miles, timing belt's been done, so no issues there for timing. No warning lights on the dash, revs up nicely, idles smoothly. AC's ice cold. You also get dual heated front seats, and then you can control the rear AC, but rear backup camera, stereo works well, and all the functions work, so everything's properly working. It's a original Honda windshield, no cracks, no chips, 3 previous owners on this one, no reported accidents, auto check certified. So if you're looking for a really clean Odyssey, because a lot of these can get some issues with condition, this one's actually been really well taken care of. So if you want a really clean Odyssey, you want to save some money, you want to spend under 10 grand, this is definitely the minivan for you. This 2013 Honda Odyssey EXL with rear entertainment system. You can find this beautiful Odyssey exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.